AI-generated cat channels are racking up millions of views by posting simple cat stories, and you can do the same. Imagine your channel growing to over 3 million subscribers, just like this one, with 500 million views. According to Social Blade, their monthly income ranges from $5,000 to over $84,000. Impressive, right? Now, let's check out this video that has over 100 million views and see what makes it stand out. As you can see, it's made with simple AI cat images, cat sounds, a few sound effects, and transitions. It's really that simple. Stick around till the end, because by then you'll be ready to create these kinds of videos yourself using free AI tools. And hey, if you're excited about this, make sure to hit that like button early. It really helps me keep bringing more content like this to you. Step 1. We need to generate a cat story. For this, I'll use ChatGPT with a prompt to create a stunning cat story. I'll include the script in the description below. After that, ask ChatGPT again to give you prompts for generating images for each scene in the story. Step 2. We need to generate the images. I'll be using Leonardo AI for this. You can click the link in the description to sign up for a free account. Once logged in, choose Image Generation and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're creating short-form content. Next, enter the prompts we generated earlier. Just go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompts, paste them here, and hit Generate. So, repeat this process for all the remaining images. I will speed up a bit so you don't get bored. After you've done that, we will move to the next step. Next, we need to upscale the images. If you're a pro user of Leonardo AI, you can use the Alchemy Upscaler. But if not, no worries. I've got a free method for you. Simply go to the search bar and type www.capcut.com/magictools/upscale image/. Then, upload your image and click Upscale. After that, download the image to your computer. Repeat this process until you've upscaled all the images you need. Now that we have our visuals, we can move on to the most important part, editing the video. We'll be using CapCut, a free tool. Open CapCut, start a new project, and upload all the visuals you generated earlier. Next, start by adding the image based on the storyboard we got from ChatGPT. Then adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're creating vertical content. Make sure you arrange the images correctly. This is crucial, guys, to keep viewers engaged. Because we'll not use voiceover, we'll rely only on the images to show the story. Next, we need to add some sound effects for each scene. Since we're skipping the voiceover for this video, the images and the sound effects will tell the entire story. So, for example, in that intense moment when the man hits the cat, we'll add a hit or slap sound effect, or fighting. In the last scenes, we can add lightning or thunder sounds, and we can add wind sounds also. So just align the sound effects with the events in the story to make everything flow smoothly. After that, to make the video even better, we need to add some cool effects. I'll show you the ones I'm using, but again, feel free to choose what works best for you. Don't forget to add a fade in at the beginning and a fade out at the end to make it look polished. If we go back to the previous video, we'll notice that there are some transitions between the scenes. So let's do the same here. I'll use a few of my best transitions, but of course, you can pick whatever you like. Now, it's time to incorporate the background music. I've included a link to the channel where you can find the exact background music used in these viral cat videos. Just be sure to mention the channel in the description to avoid copyright issues. Alright guys, once you've got all that in place, it's time to export. Go ahead and name your video, choose the resolution you want, and hit that export button. And boom, just like that, you've created your very own cat AI short. Before we watch the final video, I've got a little favor to ask. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support really motivates me to keep making awesome content for you. Alright, let's check out the video.
Meow 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 meow.
Looks great, right? So this is for today. Bye for now.